Hello students, I'm solving electronics questions from IIT JAM 2021 question paper. So let us see this question. So this question is based on Zener diode. So we have 35 volt power supply which provides us 20 volt regulated power at the load. Okay, so we are getting a constant 20 volt or regulated 20 volts across this load. Okay, and in the questions we are also given that the Zener voltage for this diode is equal to 10 volts, and the maximum power this diode can withstand, or can maximum power what it can dissipate is equal to PZM equal to 5 watts is given. Okay, so now we are given this voltage across this load is 20 volts. That means this 20 volt is across these two diodes. Okay, now Zener voltage is the voltage at which this diode will turn on. Okay, so because here we 20 volts are we'll get 20 volts across these diodes. That means across each diode we have 10 volts power, 10 volts voltage. Okay, that means these two diodes are in series and both are on state. Okay, so whenever a diode is on state, we can replace it by a battery. Okay, so now since voltage is given 20 volts, that means both the diodes are turn on. Okay, on state. Now it is asking what is the value of R. Okay, what is the value of R? Okay, so see, let us see how to solve. So we are given PZM. So PZM is equal to VZ IZM. Okay, so IZM is the maximum current with this voltage this diode can withstand. Okay, suppose here current I is coming. Okay, and across this diodes current IZM is flowing. Okay, so whenever there will be maximum current across these Zener diodes, okay, we'll get the minimum current IL across this load. Okay, so from here we can see, okay, my if I apply KCL, my I equal to IZM plus IL minimum. Okay, so my I equal to IZM plus IL minimum. Okay, that means my I is always greater than IZM. Okay, so if I remove this load, okay, then the whole this I current will be flowing through these Zener diodes. Okay, so my I can be either greater than IZM, or at most it can be equal to IZM. Okay, so now I can calculate the value of IZM from here. So IZM will give me is equal to PZM. Okay, so PZM is 5 watts given. Okay, and this BZ is given 10 volts. Okay, so this will give me half ampere current. Okay, so the value of current IZM is half ampere. Now, so this I should be greater than this half ampere. Okay, so this I should be greater than half ampere. Okay, now what is value I? So there's total 35 volts. If you apply KVL, so the voltage across R, okay, will be 35 minus 20. Okay, 35 minus 20. So this will be 35 minus 20, and current I will be equal to divided by R. So this R is equal to greater than half. Okay, so this will give me 15. So this will give me now 15 volt divided by R. Okay, greater than equal to half. Okay, if I solve for R, so then this will be 30 greater than equal to R. That means my R is less than equal to 30 ohm. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Okay, thank you very much.